Now let's switch gears and talk about Upwork, which is this Upwork Talent. If you are a freelancer or you are just looking for project-based work, I can bet you that Upwork is the best place for you to be for your job search. And for starters, before you can use Upwork, you must create an Upwork account first. And your account will be approved before you can be able to use Upwork for your job search purposes. Remember, we are not talking about account creation today. No, that is not what we are here for today. We are talking about job boards you can utilize in your job search. I've talked about LinkedIn, and now is the time for Upwork. So to search for jobs on Upwork, okay, let's talk about best matches first, which is on my screen now. The reason Upwork is giving me these best matches is because of my profile title and my profile description. So they are giving me these titles because they feel that, okay, these jobs aligns with my skill set. It's practically aligns with my skill set. So I don't know why I am seeing these unverified, these new accounts that just posted jobs like this Pakistan job on my screen now. This is a scam job. I have my reasons for saying that, but we are going to talk about identifying scam jobs in another video altogether. So Upwork is showing me these job titles, these featured jobs, because of my profile title and my skill set and my job description. You add your skill set, your job description and profile title during the process of creating your Upwork account. And this is the most recent section. This most recent section is for jobs that are just posted. It's for jobs that are posted like now. This is the most recent section, so I don't know why it's taking a while to load. But moving further, let's click on search for jobs icon, which is this one above. Search. So Upwork does not really have any much tactics for job searching. It's straightforward for me. And I've personally not tried the Boolean search technique on Upwork to see whether it works or not. I haven't. Upwork is very straightforward for me. So let's assume I am searching for lead generation roles. Lead generation. Just have to click on the title of the job you are searching for. And here you can also narrow down your search to your niche, like B2B lead generation, LinkedIn lead generation, cold calling, and all that, as evident on my screen. Okay, but let's assume I am searching for generally lead generation. Click on search. So remember, this is the phone interface. If I was using my laptop, the interface would have been different. That place where we clicked on search, you would have seen something like talent, job, posts. Yeah. So when you click on the talent part, you'll be able to search for other freelancers on Upwork. That is for the laptop interface, but I'm using my phone now. Okay, look at this job on my screen. Look at this lead generation job on my screen. It was posted just 49 seconds ago. If I was actively applying for jobs, all I just have to do is to read the job description, click on the job here. Okay, this job, to send a proposal for this job, it requires 8 connects. And as you can see on my screen, I don't have much connect and I'm not actively applying for jobs. So you just have to read the job description. If it's something you can do, if it's within your skill set, why not? You go ahead to send, to apply now. And there's something I like to do. I like to check the about client section before I proceed to apply for any jobs posted by any client, because some clients can be very problematic. So it's in your best interest to check for their reviews and to check their about section generally, and some clients are scams. Some jobs are scam jobs, and some clients just post and they go missing in action. They just post without employing anybody, maybe to keep their account active. So if you come across such clients, it's in your best interest to just ignore the job and keep on moving forward to avoid wasting your connect. It's not advisable to waste your connect because connects are not easy to buy these days. It keeps on increasing. So that is it. You just have to click on the job, read the job description. If it aligns with your skill set, go ahead and apply for it. And remember to check for the client's about section, to check for some tiny details in the client's about section. Moving forward, you can decide to save this job. Save the job. Maybe you want to come back and apply for it, so you can decide to just save the job. It will go to your saved job. Okay, look at my saved jobs. This is my only saved jobs. So it automatically went to my saved jobs. Or you can as well give this job a thumbs down. That is like reporting the job. Okay, if you feel that okay, this job you are not just interested, it has an unrealistic expectation, or you feel it's a scam job, you can give it a thumbs down for the job to be removed from your screen. Let me unsave this. So moving forward, there is also the filter option on Upwork. It allows you to filter your jobs and to narrow it down to your specific preferences or wants. So I like to filter my jobs sometimes, and sometimes when I feel like I have more than enough time on my hand, I just take my time to gently scroll through all the job posts, and you can never get through all of them. It's just always much. Okay? So see on lead generation, look at this icon above. Look at where my mouse is clicking at now. Just click on it. Okay, this is the filter options. You can filter by categories. Click on categories. Okay, there are a lot of categories here. You can filter on whether you want to work under the recruiting or human resource department, under the support admin and support department, etc. There are just a whole lot of them. Design, sales and marketing, graphics, etc. So you can as well filter by experience level, whether you are looking for entry level roles, intermediate or expert roles. So you can as well enter whether you want hourly paid jobs, your minimum payment or the maximum payment you can take for that particular job. There is also options for fixed price jobs, and there is also options to enter whether you want to only see job post that has less than five applications or 20 to 50 applications. Personally, I like to go for job post that has less than 5 or 5 to 10 applications. So I believe that with such jobs, I have higher chances of my application being seen and me being reached out to by the client. So you can also decide whether you want jobs with this title that are from your previous clients or from payment verified accounts. So there's just several filter options for you to go for. So you can decide whether you want to go for the hourly paid for how many hours per week, like 30 hours per week or more than 30 hours per week. That is that. Okay, let me apply one of the filters. Let me apply my favorite, which is less than 5. So I need a lead generation job with less than 5 applications. Just click here. Clicked. Apply. Okay. Look at Code Call VA. Look below the screen. Proposals. The proposals for this job is less than 5. Is within my preference. Seeking a result-driven paid aid specialist. Still within my preference. Less than 5 proposals. Okay, look at all the jobs with less than 5 proposals. Look at the effect of the filter that I used. all the jobs I am seeing here are the ones that has less than 5 proposals. I mean, that is exactly what I want. So you can see, looking for a job on Upwork is not complicated at all. It's not complicated. It's a very straightforward process. So when it comes to job listings, both Upwork and LinkedIn have their strengths. While LinkedIn tends to offer more traditional roles from established companies, Upwork is just the perfect fit for freelancers who are looking for project-based work from around the world. So they have their peculiar strengths. Whether you prefer LinkedIn or you prefer Upwork is majorly dependent on your career goals. If you are looking for long-term employment and career stability, then LinkedIn will be the best place for you to seek for employment. But that does not mean that there are no long-term jobs on Upwork. Of course, there are long-term jobs on Upwork. At least I know of people who have gotten long-term jobs on Upwork. So while you utilize LinkedIn for looking for long-term roles, you can also utilize Upwork also.